Cooking with friends is an amazing way to bond and create memories that will last a lifetime. It's a great way to bond with someone, and it's also a lot of fun. When you cook with friends, you can learn new recipes, swap stories, and just have a good time. Plus, you get to eat the food that you cook, which is always a bonus. If you're looking for a way to connect with your friends, cooking together is definitely the way to go. Birds inhabit nearly every corner of the world and play an important role in ecosystems everywhere. Birds are beautiful, graceful creatures that can be incredibly inspirational. Watching a bird soar through the sky is a truly breathtaking experience, and learning about their unique habits and behaviors is endlessly fascinating. Birds can teach us a lot about nature and the world around us, and they can also provide us with endless hours of entertainment. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or just starting out, getting to know these amazing creatures is definitely worth your time. Chocolate fondue is a delicious and easy way to enjoy chocolate. It is perfect for parties or special occasions. You can use any type of chocolate you like, from dark to milk to white. The possibilities are endless.